Hello honeys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a twist out with one product only, and that's all. No leave-in conditioner, no gel, no custard, no jelly, nothing. I'm just using one product. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you click on the bell button if you haven't done that already. And now let's get into the video.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
So today I'm going to be using this product right here. It's the TCB Naturals Herbal Pomade. This reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of darks. It reminds me of my mom. And when we sit down and make our hair, this is what it is. So it's time. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I'm going to be working with a center part today. I'll be starting at the back today with this section here. Plain of water. So I'm taking the grease we mentioned in the beginning. This bit, literally. It doesn't really do much when it comes to coiling my hair. This is interesting. So basically, as you can see, the grease gave me a coily end that I didn't expect. So this is not bad. It's one twist down, so many to go. So basically it's the next day and it's time for me to take down the twists. Basically, I'm using the same grease that we used yesterday. I'm using it to take down the hairstyle. I forgot to actually say that this actually smells really, really, really good. So more grease on my hand. I'm really scared to separate these guys. Like, I'm so scared to do the separating. So let's be honest, these are weird curls, but I don't know, it's not really a defining product, so I wouldn't blame the product because it's not to define your hair. But we'll see how this is going to work out in the long run. So I'm just going to keep on unraveling the hair, and I'll be, you know, back very soon. So I'm done unraveling all my twists. This is my day one hair. Yes, it's kind of flat, kind of dry, but I'm really proud of this hairstyle right now. This is a one product twist out. Like, yo, just one product, that's all I needed for this style, and I got it. So yes, like, it's actually defined, but obviously there's no hold. Let's be honest with ourselves, they can't be hold because it's just grease. There's no holding agent or any styling or any strong thing to make it form a cast in whatever way. So let me just show you the hair. This is this side, this is this side. So also I regret doing tiny twists or mini twists because it doesn't have so much volume. If I did bigger twists, I would have much more volume, but with this I can still work with this. Actually, this is not bad for grease. If you have to try this at home, make sure you use a clarifying shampoo to take it out, or black soap, something that will take it out, like would actually go deep into your hair. So yes, I don't have the best of ends because no hold. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please do click on the bell button so you know when I post a video. Also, I'm going to come back on day 3 just to show you. I probably won't say anything, just to show you how my hair is looking like on day 3. But I love this style. Like, I am not mad at this. Like, forget the flatness and everything in front, but I am not mad. It's day 3 and I don't know why I packed my hair like this, but this just didn't last. As you can see, there's no more hold. My roots are really, really puffy. My ends are just away. My hair even looks dry. I'm surprised that my hair actually looks dry because it's grease. It was meant to seal in the moisture that I put into it, but this didn't seal in any moisture. It just left it high and dry. I don't even know why I packed my hair like this, but this hairstyle is done. I'm going to wash my hair today, this night, like right now. So now we've seen our experiment. It did work at first, but just didn't last. So when it comes to using grease, know that it wouldn't last because it doesn't have a good hold, but it's all right. Like, I didn't see any con. My hair was not too dry. My hair still feels moderately soft, but my hair actually is usually soft normally, but it just didn't last. It won't last you a week like my regular twist out. Literally, it won't last you a week. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.